So today we did an installation for our latest model of EvoFit Apple CarPlay interface on a 2018 Q3. This has got the original screen and the original menu of what Audi provides. Now this is a completely new model, though you will see nothing outside on the exterior, but internally Apple CarPlay has been upgraded, so there is option for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as USB media which we can read. To read USB media and to connect Android Auto, there is a USB extension cable wherein basically it's a USB female, wherein we can, right now we have connected a pen drive, otherwise we can connect Android Auto also to that. Apple CarPlay is entirely wireless through Bluetooth. So now I will launch the Apple CarPlay by long pressing the voice command option. Now this, if you can see, is the main menu of our new Apple CarPlay interface. The workings of all the menu options over here works through the steering MID controller. So as you can see, the movements happening between the options. Now if I go to setup, basically we have a set of options. The important thing to note is we should make the Bluetooth connection before we connect the iPhone wirelessly. So we gotta go under paired devices, and right now the iPhone's already connected, but this is just to show you how it works. This system actually has let us enable the original non-touch unit to touchscreen. So I could go back using the touchscreen also, which makes it a lot more intuitive. So right now I'll enable the iPhone. So what we gotta do is come and turn on the Wi-Fi. Since this is already paired, it will just launch CarPlay. So you see, it is paired in Bluetooth as well as through Wi-Fi. So right now it's completely wireless, not connected to anything. So I'll leave that phone down there. If you can see here on the original menu, the options are showing. So I could use the controller on the steering to choose different options. I could say, I want to see the view where all the icons display on CarPlay. I could choose a split screen display on CarPlay. I could choose Spotify music to play music. So host of different things that we can do out here. Here I've selected some playlist which I was using. Sound quality excellent. This is the best sounding setup we have installed so far on a Q3. Speakers are original. So all the steering controls, etc., continue to work as it is. So I could use the touch screen to just pause the music right now. Alright. The touch screen has made it very intuitive. So though the touch will not work on the old MMI menus, but while CarPlay is launched in the entire menu, it will work. So this is Apple Maps. We also have the option of choosing Google Maps. So let me see. Okay, here goes Google Maps. I could use voice commands. So I could say, "Hey Siri, navigate to MG Road, please."
Getting directions to NH75 Bengaluru.
So I could use voice commands to basically set up the GPS and stuff.
Starting route to NH75.
Without touching anything
Head
on the
west
screen.
on First Main Road, then turn right onto Cambridge Main Road.
So without touching anything on the screen, I could start the GPS. I could say, "Hey Siri, play some Spotify music for me."
Super Chill now playing on Spotify.
"Hey Siri, pause the music." So right now I use some basic voice commands to control Apple CarPlay. This car never came with the reverse camera, so we did install a reverse camera too, a car specific boot button based one. So it comes with adaptive guidelines. So if I put the reverse gear and if I turn the steering, basically the guidelines move along with the steering, so it shows us the angle of the car and how we're turning it. If I release, it just goes back to the same old menu. If I long press this button, it goes back to the Audi menus. So all the Audi menus continue to work as it is. One important thing to note is all the sounds work through aux. So it should be set as, source should be set as external audio input. That is when CarPlay sounds will be heard. So if I press on this button again, it launches back CarPlay. So very intuitive. So we could use the touch screen as well as the steering to make things work. This is a one of a kind. So it is converted the non-touch original screen to a touch screen. So that's quite interesting. If you'd like to learn more about this system, get in touch with us, or you could go to evoretrofits.in, and I hope you have a nice day.